I am about to try to wash and style or blow dry my hair. I absolutely hate washing and doing my own hair. It never turns out right like the salon. But we're gonna see. I just got this new Revlon one-step volumizer blow drying brush. So I'm gonna try to use that and see if I get a different, better result. Here's how it's packaged in the box. I can already tell you just from looking at this, these bristles, I don't think this gonna cut it too much on African American hair. But we shall see. So here's my hair, fresh after a wash. Curls trying to pop. Here is the products I use: Pantene, shampoo, and conditioner, color preservation for the little bit of color I still got at the ends. So I'm going to try to detangle it a little bit and then get started with that brush and apply some heat protectant. Sectioned it off and braided it on this side so I can get started with this side. Okay, so I just plugged this in and this thing is not even turning on. Okay. Brand new out the box. I had to hit the reset button for some reason. Don't know what's up with that, but let's get started. So here's the first strip of hair. Definitely lengthened or stretched my hair back out from the curls. I feel like my roots are still a little damp, but yeah. And it didn't get tangled like I thought. So far, it didn't get tangled too much. So I'm gonna do the rest of this side and come back. They saying this thing lightweight, but Lord have mercy, my arm about to fall off. All right. Here's the finished product. Pretty quick. Got it straight and fluffy. Definitely stretched it out from the other curly side. But yeah, my arm about to fall off. My arm hurt. I need to take a little break. This thing about a good, I don't know, gotta be like, I don't know, but it hurt for all this hair. I got to be holding it up for a long time and stretching it out. But it made straightening my hair a little bit simpler, quicker. Still don't think it's gonna change my mind on wanting to do my hair at home, but we'll see how it looks after being flat ironed. That's the real test. So here is the end result of the Revlon one-step volumizer blow drying tool. Next step is flat iron. And I'm not no hairstylist at all, but my ends look pretty good. My last trim was in October. I don't see no split ends or nothing. I don't think. Like I said, I'm not a hairstylist, so. They always say my hair is pretty healthy when I go in there. I'm about out of this heat protectant spray, so I'm gonna have to switch to the gel. I've never used this before, so yeah. They didn't have no more gel, no more spray when I went in the store. I'm gonna use the chase method. Got my flat iron on 410. Ooh, look at that little curl. Looking good so far. Here is one side flat ironed so far. Looking pretty good. Typically, before using that, my hair would look like this. Even after flat ironing, it would still look like this. So this right here is a major improvement for at home. So we're gonna see how this side look once I'm finished with this side. Is it gonna puff back up? Is the curls gonna drop? We're gonna see. And here is the final result. I'm very pleased. The curls are still curled. Normally when I'm done with one side, the other side has completely puffed up. This side puffed up a little bit, but for the most part, it's still holding a good curl. I'll probably run over it one more time, a little bit. But yeah, I'm happy with the results. Nice, sleek, shiny, no bad flyaways. So yeah, I'm gonna have to give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna have to try that Revlon blow dryer brush on Asa's hair on a lower setting, and yeah, just to stretch out her hair a little bit more because it's so curly. And I also did like using this gel a lot, the heat protecting gel. I like that. So yeah. Oh yeah, and it is now 4 o'clock. I started at 1. Main reason why I don't like doing my hair at home. Take too dang long. No, I done did all this work on my hair and ain't got nowhere to go but to pick up extra. That's how I be.